Hi friends! Today we are going to be learning about word families, and then we get to make a little craft with our word families that we make. So a couple things you're going to need are a sheet of paper, scissors, something to write with, glue if you're making the craft. If you're not making the craft, all you need is something to write with and a piece of paper. So today we're going to be learning about two word families. So on my piece of paper, I made our word family. So we're going to be focusing on words that end in ET. ET says et, et. So you could write this down. ET says et. That's our first word family we're going to be focusing on. So what we do is we take our ET, et, and then we just put letters in front of it and see if it makes a word. So I'm going to try to cover the ones I made. So the first two, et, wet. We made the word wet. Et, vet. We made the word vet. So we made two different words with our word family et. So you could write these down. We made wet and vet. Also with word families, they always rhyme because they sound the same. So wet and vet rhyme. That means the words sound the same. All right, let's go to our next two words. Et, met. I met the vet. My dog is wet. So all of them rhyme. The next word, et, bet. I bet it's going to rain because there's clouds in the sky. Bet. So remember, our word family is when words all sound the same using the same ending or beginning sound. So our ending sound is et, and we made 4 words so far. Wet, vet, met, and bet, and they all rhyme. Okay, we have 2 more words. Okay. Et, get. Et, let. I get some glue. I let it go. So we made 6 words with 1 word family, et. That's crazy. Okay, so now we have our word families. We have 6 words. And so what we're going to do is our craft today is going to be a flower with our word family. So you can get any color paper if you have construction paper, or you can have white paper like I do and just color it in. I have construction paper, so I already made our things and I'll show you. Okay, so first you are going to get a circle and you're going to write our ending sound et on it. That's our word family today. So I have a circle. Woo! I have a circle with our ending sound. Okay, so today we're going to make a flower. So this is the center of our flower. And then what we're going to do is you are going to get the petals of the flower. I cut mine like this. And what you're going to do is you're going to eat on each petal. So you're going to need 6 petals. You're going to write a W on one petal. You're going to write an M on another petal. L. G. V. And a B. So again, you have the center of our flower, which is our word family. And then you're going to write the first letter of each of the words we made. So a W, M, G, V, B, and L. Now we're going to put our flower together. So I'm going to put this aside, get my glue, and put together our flower. So I'll show you what it's going to look like. So, hold on. So Now I can read the word. So remember, our word family is et, et, met. Okay, it's the beginning of our flower. Going to the next petal. All right. Et, vet. The vet takes care of my pup. Next one. Et, met. I met the vet. Let, let. I let the balloon go. Let. And I didn't make a B petal, so I just had 5, but that's okay. And the last one, get, get. I get my glue. So now I have my word family flower. And it's so cute, and you can read all of these words because you know the ending sound says et. Et, met, et, vet. Oops, I did the wrong way. This is supposed to say wet. There we go. So wet, vet, met, let, and get. There's your flower. And so you took the words from our first list and then you made your flower that way. And now with your flower, you can make a lot of different sentences too. So with the word wet, I go outside in the rain and I get wet. Vet. My puppy hurt his leg and I had to go to the vet. And so you can write your sentences down. And now you know so many words just from knowing the ending sound et. I made another flower with the ending sound op. So O and P says op. We learned this in our lesson video today. So op. So the same thing, you'll make your center of your flower with our word family op. And then you'll take petals and write one letter or 2 letters like a digraph to have your word. So p, op, pop, pop. Corn. Op, shop. I shop for my glue stick. Op, mop. I spilled my milk and I had to mop. Op, chop. I chopped the carrot up. Op, top. I'm wearing a top. Op, cop. The cop is a good guy or girl. So I had 2 word families today. So the word family et and the word family op. And when you know word families, you'll know so many different kinds of words. And the same thing with this one, you can write sentences with the words you make. So they're so cute and you can hang them up in your house because it's springtime. And now you can also read words. If you make them, send them over. I love to see your pictures of the stuff that we create. Bye, friends.